Yeah guys, I just moved into my new place. We're about to get settled in. Let me show y'all what they gave us. So they gave us a little welcome bag and they got like some little goodies in there. I'm not gonna open it just yet, but finally finna get settled in. I'm so happy. I wish I could show y'all everything, but I don't want y'all to know where I stay at, so yeah. Look at the lighting. Look at this, friend. Friend, just look at the lighting on the camera.
Oh, this. Oh, look at my skin. Get into that.
I know, right? This is gonna be beautiful every day I wake up. I'm so happy, y'all. Like, to be finally moved in. It took like a month and some change. Y'all. Ooh, let me match up my phone. But y'all, it's a lot of people outside. Like, people are in the pool, people are enjoying themselves. I look crusty with my glasses on, but this is what it's gonna be. I got a nice patio size. Let me show y'all, hold on. We wanna put turf out here because we got a corner unit, so it's a pretty decent size, you know? But yeah, I could just see all the pictures I'm gonna be taking out here. Like, this is just gonna be so dope. Hey guys, I'm back. I know I haven't picked up the camera in like all day, but this day has been hectic. Moving has been hectic for me, so I lost my voice. So I sound kind of raspy, but I'm gonna show you guys the progress I made. We're gonna start with the kitchen because there's Kari. But yeah, this is the kitchen. We cleared out. I cleared out all the boxes. Everything's cleared out in the kitchen. I got all the boxes up down over there. Still got a lot of unpacking to do. Food from earlier. Turn this out. But so we got all of this stuff to still do. All of that. And then I'm not gonna show y'all the room. But this is what I'm dealing with. Like bathroom stuff. Well, carpet bear is not bathroom, but and this is like closet stuff. So I got so much stuff to do. Like, it's just boxes galore. Like, y'all don't understand. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing all day. So I gotta do the closet, unpack my side of the closet, and do like Kari closet and toys and stuff. Sorry if y'all can't hear me or understand me. My voice is like real raspy and it's like going in and out. So bear with me with this vlog. I'm not gonna make it super short. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it super short. I'm gonna include some clips from tomorrow. Like, I'm gonna bring you guys whatever I do tomorrow, y'all gonna see it. So y'all bear with me with this vlog. I'm trying. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. But yeah, welcome back to my channel. We about to go to Walmart, IKEA, and some places. I really hate these braids, y'all.
Oh, vlog.
But yeah, so we about to go. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Kari! Let's go, you guys. Yeah, we try to come to IKEA and it's a line. Like, look at this.
Thank you.
Like, it's a line to get in the inside. Oh, we might as well just order and have it delivered because this ain't gonna work. Well, off to the next location, which would be Walmart. Okay, y'all, we made it to Walmart. Y'all, it was so much going on. I would have vlogged at first. We didn't have no shopping carts. All the shopping carts was gone, but we found one. And now we trying to get Kari something to drink. But y'all, it's raining like it's a tropical storm here. We need Ziplocs. I get small ones. But yeah, look at Kari. He's upset. Say hi. And wave. He's upset. Say, I'm sad. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hold on, y'all. I'll be back. So, guys, I am back from Walmart. Hopefully, you guys can see me. I had to prop you guys up on, like, my little Ziploc bag and, like, some flour or whatever. But I just came back from grocery shopping. And right now, I'm going to put up the groceries and, yeah.